शिंदे हार्ट पेशेंट थी, ओखट हॉस्पिटल में आई। वहाँ मुझे डॉक्टर रोहरा मिले और डॉक्टर रोहरा की ऑब्लिगेशन में मानती हूँ।
Gulshan was the doctor who has operated my mom and she had a bypass. So this is the second time she is undergoing for an open heart surgery. We had full confidence on Dr. Gulshan and he was so up to the point, like even and till now I'm very happy to know that I'm still over here and my mom is like recovering really well.
मैं स्वराज शिंदे हार्ट पेशेंट थी। पहले भी एक बार 82 में मेरा वॉल का ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी हुई थी। उसके बाद मुझे थोड़ी तकलीफ होने लगी, लेकिन डॉक्टर ने कहा कि मुझे वॉल रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा। तो मैं यहाँ पर ओखट हॉस्पिटल में आई। वहाँ मुझे डॉक्टर रोहरा मिले। उन्होंने मेरे से सारी जानकारी ली और उन्होंने ऑपरेशन की तैयारी दिखाई और मुझे कहा वॉल रिप्लेसमेंट करना पड़ेगा। और मेरा ऑपरेशन किया। 4 जनवरी को मेरा ऑपरेशन हुआ और उसके बाद उन्होंने बहुत मेरे साथ तकलीफ ली, तकलीफ ली बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने उनको बहुत तकलीफ दी और इम्प्रूवमेंट किया। मेरा बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ। अभी मैं काफ़ी अच्छा फील कर रही हूँ और डॉक्टर रोहरा की ऑब्लिगेशन में मानती हूँ। डॉक्टर रोहरा बहुत मुझे सपोर्ट किया है, हर तरह से सपोर्ट किया है और मैं डॉक्टर रोहरा को रियली ही इज अ जेंटलमैन।
Well, my name is Vineet and I'm over here to tell my experience about my mother as well as Dr. Gulshan. First of all, let me introduce about my mother. My mother, her name is Swaraaj Shinde. She is 72 years old and she had open heart surgery with under the guidance of Dr. Gulshan, and Gulshan was the doctor who has operated my mom and she had a bypass. So this is the second time she is undergoing for an open heart surgery. So I would like to share my experience what I had over here with Dr. Gulshan. So I'm from New Zealand. So like my parents, when they were over here in Mumbai, so my mom was having a breathlessness. So she thought like, okay, I'll just go to Dr. Gulshan and I'll speak to him like what's the problem. So first of all she went to her local doctors and like they all mentioned about Wockhardt Hospital, Mumbai Central. They said like that is one of the best hospital for the open heart surgery, and they all said like you need to go with Dr. Gulshan because he is like way experienced for the surgeries. So we were like okay. So during that time my wife and my dad brought them to Bombay Central for like to show to Dr. Gulshan like about the procedures and what are the things needs to be done and investigate the matter further. So during that time like we came in contact with Dr. Gulshan and like the Gulshan was the doctor, like he suggested like my mom that she needs to go for again and bypass as well as like a mitral wall replacement surgery. So like we were like it was quite risky because it was a second time open heart surgery and with the age factors and the complication were too much. But Dr. Gulshan was so confident, like he said, like he told us okay, he showed us the diagram and he told like okay, this is the surgery is going to be done and like you don't really need to worry about it, we'll take care of it. We had full confidence on Dr. Gulshan and he was so up to the point, like even like when I was in New Zealand I used to contact him continuously by text and he used to reply. He was very prompt in replying to my text and he was very patient doctor. So then afterwards on 4th of January like we all decided to go for an open heart surgery for my mother, and touch wood the surgery went really perfect for my mother and everything really went well. And afterwards, like after surgery she was in ICU and constant the look after was done by the hospital as well as Dr. Gulshan, and like whenever we used to have doubt we used to just directly contact Dr. Gulshan and he used to never be like hesitated or something. He used to be very open and like very friendly and he used to explain each and every details about the surgery. And till now I'm very happy to know that I'm still over here and my mom is like recovering really well and hopefully they are planning to discharge as soon as possible. Again, I would just like to thank you so much, Dr. Gulshan, for supporting my mom and like giving her a second life and supporting us right from the start, like for us and our family too. So I really wish good luck to Dr. Gulshan. Thank you.